This is a receiver in a Canal hearing aid called Audio. To clean it, you will need the following tools: cloth, brush, wax guards, and drying beaker. Routine care of your hearing aid is important for maintaining the best sound possible and for extending the life of your hearing aid. First, examine the hearing aid. Check for any wax or dirt, particularly near the dome and the area on the top side of the hearing aid near the microphones. Use your clean, dry cloth to remove wax and dirt from the hearing aid. You can also use the brush to remove any wax or dirt near the microphones or wax guard. If you still see wax near the tip, you may need to consider exchanging the wax guard. Remove the dome from the hearing aid. Insert the removal side of the exchange tool into the used wax guard. Pull the wax guard straight out of the speaker. To insert the new wax guard, turn the tool around and insert the new wax guard into the speaker. Replace the dome onto the speaker. When you are not using your hearing aid, leave the battery door open so that any moisture can evaporate. You should dry your hearing aid overnight. A drying beaker can assist you with moisture removal. Please make sure to remove the battery.